Welcome to Smart Digital Classroom. It's a Saturday today, and today we are going to learn very interesting activities of ELC English Language Kit. The kit number 36 to 40. Here are the some kits I have distribute among you. The first kit is rhyming word. Then the second is picture rhyming word, and then the group word, a bunch word. Okay, did you got all words? Yes, very good. Now I come to this group. I have given you some word and some pictures, correct? And these are all adjectives. What kind of word it is? Adjective म्हणजे काय? विशेषण. Okay, a describing word. Okay, so group number first, can you read first your name please?
I am Chandrakala.
What is your word? Show.
Soft pillows.
Soft
Pillows.
Okay.
A small crane.
Crane. Okay.
Myself Diksha. A blue umbrella. A white van.
What is your word?
A new socks and a sour lemon.
Very good.
A big elephant.
Elephant. Okay.
A golden fish and tasty biscuit.
Okay.
I am Pooja. A green tree.
Very good.
My name is Rani. A sweet apple and beautiful building.
Okay. Building or beautiful house.
A nice mango.
Nice mango. Okay. A sour mango सुद्धा येईल आंबट.
My name is Divya. Old man.
Old man.
My name is Bhavna. Dark green parrot.
Dark green parrot.
My name is Yogita. A hot coffee.
Hot coffee. Okay, very good. You have done a good job. There are some adjectives. Okay. And pictures are noun. नामाचं वर्णन करणारे शब्द आहेत ते मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो आपण, आहे की नाही? सो द टेस्टी इज एन ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. ओके. नाव ग्रुप नंबर 2, देर आर सम ग्रुप वर्ड्स. व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड दीज आर? ग्रुप वर्ड्स. ओके, आय हॅव डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड ऑलरेडी सम वर्ड्स अँड सम ग्रुप पिक्चर्स. गटाने आहेत सगळे, आहे की नाही हे? Okay, ready?
A crowd of people.
Yes, again, a crowd of people. Again, say.
A crowd of people.
A crowd of people.
A stock of
Clothes. Show me. A stake of clothes. Okay.
A swarm of bees.
A swarm of bees. Very good.
A flight of birds. A flock of geese. A herd of sheep. A herd of cattle.
Read it.
My name is Mayuri. A pack of dogs. My name is Yogita. A colony of ants. A team of players.
Very good.
My name is Vaishali. A bundles of sticks.
Very good.
My name is Dhanasri. A bunch of keys. My name is Mansi. A group of children.
Very good.
A bouquet of flowers. A bunch of grapes. A group of trees.
Group. Okay. These are all the group words. What kind of word these are? Group words. Okay. Do you got it? Yes, very good. Now let's come to the third group. Group number 3. I have given you some pictures. Okay? Come close. Here is a picture. Okay? This is also a picture. Some pictures are given to you. Here are some pictures. Okay? You stand up, and these pictures are the rhyming words. What kind of rhyming word? Picture rhyming word. Yes?
Picture rhyming words.
Picture rhyming words. These are the all pictures, but these are in a rhyming pairs. Okay? Your name, please.
My name is Roshan.
Yes.
Bat, cat.
What is your word? Yes.
My name is Jitesh. I read two rhyming picture rhyming words. This is ant, plant,
Very good. And
plant.
My name is Sunil. Cable, table.
cable and table. Very good.
My name is Uday. Wrote, soap.
Rope and soap.
Rope and soap.
My name is Manoj. Mouse, house.
Mouse. Show your picture. Yes. Mouse and house. Okay.
My name is Keshav. Hen, pen.
Hen and pen.
My name is Khushal. Moon, spoon.
Stamp, lamp.
A stamp and lamp.
Stamp, lamp.
These are all picture rhyming word. What kind of word?
Picture
Rhyming word.
Rhyming words. Okay? Group number 4. Come here. These are some words, and they are all rhyming pairs. Okay? Read aloud. Fast,
Fast,
past,
past.
past. Next, size.
Size,
Okay, you match the same word here. Next, car,
car, jar,
jar,
jar.
jar. Very good. Last,
Last,
this is not rhyming pair. Okay, no problem.
for,
Far. Okay. Look at here. The far, car, and jar.
jar.
These are rhyming pairs. Okay. Good. Your name.
My name is Mahendra.
What are your words? Read.
Hot,
Hat.
hat, sat,
Very good. Hat.
fat, mat,
Very good. Pad.
pear, sad,
Cap.
cap,
Cat.
cat, bat,
Dam.
dam, am, can, an, hat, set,
Cat.
cat.
Yes. Read your word.
My name is Tushar. Top, coat. Back, pack. Fan, fan. Tag, bag. Quack, pack. Nap, tap.
You also the rhyming words. Group number 5. Which words you make? Okay, you.
My name is Liladhar. Duck, look,
Luck.
luck, truck. Fun, sun.
Very good.
My name is Manoj. Cup,
Top.
tub. My name is Mayur. Duck,
But.
butt, shoot,
Shut.
shirt. My name is Nitin.
Nest.
Not,
Nest.
nest,
Rest.
rest, got,
Get.
get,
Pet.
pet.
My name is Dhanesh.
Pen.
Ten, pen, den. Tot,
tail, tail, shell, bell, man, den.
My name is Prakash. Net, bet, set. Take, let, take, date.
Late and date.
My name is Devidas.
These are not match. Okay.
Eat, feet, sick, pick, deep, tip.
My name is Yogi Raj. Sip, keep, bill, hill, tin, in.
My name is Kalpesh. Keep, zip, fit, beat, think, sink, bin, in.
My name is Janardhan. On, shop, fox.
These are not the rhyming words. Okay. These are extra words.
Up, all, box.
Wall,
All, shawl, tall,
hall,
tall,
tall,
all.
all. Pot,
Pot, not.
not. Okay. Okay. So today we have learned some picture adjectives. Okay. Then the group word. Then here are some picture rhyming word, and there are some word strips. They are also the rhyming pairs. Okay. Thank you very much.